Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Genjutsu Shugi Yusha no Okoku Saikenki, lit. How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom, is an upcoming anime series based on the story written by Dozumaru. It will be produced by JC Staff, and is scheduled to premiere in July 2021.
Take our lead.
April 25th. The novel's latest 12th volume is set to be released in Japan on April 25th, along with the 5th volume of its manga adaptation drawn by Satoshi Ueda. The novel's English edition has been released by J Novel Club, Digital, and Seven Seas Entertainment Print.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Genjutsu Shugi Yusha no Okoku Saikenki Volume 13 is the 13th volume of the light novel series, written by Dozumaru, and illustrated by Fuyuyuki, and is going to be first released on September 25, 2020 in Japan.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Overall, How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom feels a little bit like a thoughtful isekai. With its references to Machiavelli and sound economic and public welfare principles blending with the more fantastic elements, it plays with its genre while still telling an interesting story.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.